Right now, your hard-earned money is sitting in a bank account, feeling completely safe. You check your balance, the number stays the same, and you feel like a responsible adult. But behind the scenes, there is a silent thief at work. It's called inflation, and it eats away at your purchasing power every single day.
Think about it this way. 10 years ago, $100 could buy a cart full of groceries. Today, that exact same $100 bill barely covers a single bag. The number in your app didn't drop, but what that number can actually buy certainly did.
Traditional banks pay you pennies in interest while the cost of real life surges ahead. So how do you fight back? You stop letting your cash sleep and you start putting it to work. By moving your money into broad market index funds, high-yield accounts, and cash-flowing assets, you force your wealth to outrun the silent thief. Safety feels comfortable, but long-term, excessive safety is the riskiest move you can make. Take control of your financial future today and make every single dollar work for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Invest? The stock market is gambling. But that's because we aren't taught how to invest. We're only taught how to work, get a salary, and trade our precious time for paper.
Think about this contrast. When you work for money, your income is limited by 24 hours. When your money works for you, its income potential is infinite. It works while you sleep, while you vacation, and even while you're spending time with family.
And the absolute best time to start making this shift was yesterday. But the second best time is right now. Don't let your wealth evaporate. Don't keep accepting the default. Take your first step today. It could be as simple as opening that first brokerage account, researching a low-cost index fund, or automating $50 a month into an investment. The path from saver to investor is simpler than you think. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start.
Because every day you wait is a day of compound interest you lose forever. Think of compound interest as a snowball. At first, it looks tiny, almost invisible. But as it rolls down the hill of time, it gathers momentum, picking up more and more weight until it becomes completely unstoppable. The wealthy don't have a secret playbook. They simply understand how the game is played. They buy assets, not liabilities. They own the machine instead of just working for it. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable wealth guides, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your future self will thank you. Comment below. What's the first financial move you're making this week? Are you opening an index fund, moving cash into high-yield savings, or finally building that emergency fund? Let us know in the comments. Check out the description for recommended links and watch the next video on screen to keep building your wealth strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.